Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3, we are starting Unit 14. Today's topics 14.1 Angles, Direction, Position and Movement. Let's get started. First, here is a example 1. Draw a ring around all the angles that are not right angles. So, what is right angle? Right angle, that angles who has 90 degree. It means this is horizontal line and this is vertical line. Once meet one position, that position make 90 degree, which is right angle. So in here, look, if we mark, this position is not right angle, this one not right angle, this one also not right angle, right? And here use your angle measure to help you. How do you know the other angles are not right angles? So let's see what mentioned in here. So look, they are not right angles, which this one, this one, this one, this one, because a right angle is made when a horizontal line and a vertical line meet. So meeting position of horizontal line and vertical line, this is right angle. Now our question, focus 1. Put a angle around all the right angles inside the shape. So this one is a right angle, this one is a right angle, this one is right angle, this one is right angle, this one also right angle, and this one is a right angle. So our first question answer already marked. Exercise 14.1, first question, focus. Here is mentioned, put a ring around all the right angles inside the shape. So here is 4 shape, different type of shape, and we have to find out which one is right angle. So this triangle, this portion is right angle, this one is a right angle, and this square shape, but it's not actually a square shape, it's a looking pentagon, because here is a marking place, here is also marking place. So in this case, in left side this one is a right angle, this one is a right angle, and this arrow also left side here is a right angle, and right side here is a right angle. 1b, here is mentioned, draw 2 shapes of your own that have right angles. Mark the angles. So it's our own choice. We can make, like, suppose a trapezium. So one thing. Another one is, we can take another one, suppose we can take like a square, square or rectangle, anything. Now look, in trapezium this one is a right angle, but rectangle here 4 part is right angle, this one, this one, this one and this one. So number 1, A and B, done. Question 2, this is very conceptual. Write the missing compass point. Look, in this compass has mentioned west, so just opposite is a east, and we know in compass top side is north, it's a north. So and in bottom this one is a south, right? So missing points done. Next, it's an interesting thing, starting at the star draw a, okay, here is a star, then green cycle 4 space north, green circle, so we can draw 4 space north. So from here 1 2 3 and 4, it's a green circle, right? Okay, and next blue circle 3 space south, south means in bottom, so 1 2 3, this is a circle, blue circle. Yellow circle 2 space west, YOLO. So YOLO we can mark like this. So 2 space west. So 1 and 2. This is a YOLO. And finally, red circle 1 space east. It means here. Done. Very interesting. And this is very important also for learning new thing. So question 2, done. Question 3. Question 3 is, on the side of the grid, write the missing cardinal points, complete the sentence. Look, here is mentioned the tree is dash of the castle. So this is tree and this is castle, which is castle. So tree is west side of castle. So west, right? West of the castle, and this is pond. So north of the pond, right? Okay. Next, the school. Where is the school? This is school. School is dash of the castle. So school is east of the castle. And dash of the bridge. So this one also north of the bridge. Okay. The park is, where is park? This is park. Park is dash of the pond. So south of the pond. Because this is the bottom side. South of the pond, and dash of the fire station. Where is fire station? This is fire station. And we are trying to find out pond. So the duration is like this way. So this one we can say it's the east, right? Or west. Look, first this is the upper place and left side. So this one we can say northwest. So we can say this one is the west, or we can say first we can say west, or we can write northwest. Okay. Number D. Number D is, the tent is dash of castle. It's a south of castle, and dash of the fire station. Where is fire station? This is fire station and tent. So we can say this is north of fire station, right? And dash of the pond. Where is pond? Here. So pond we can say east of the pond, and dash of the bridge west of the bridge, right? Very simple. Next, where is house? Where is house? So house we can say, house, this is a house. We can write the house is south of the bridge. Okay, one thing also we can say the house is east of the fire station, right? Done. So question 3 done. Question 4. Some of these shapes have right angle, some are greater than right angle, and some are less than right angle. Join one of the angles from each shape to the correct word. So first one, look, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. So in here we can mark like this is photo 1. In photo 1 has 3 sides, or we can say 3 angle. So if we mark like this one is a 1, 2, 3. So photo 1. Photo 1. Number 1 is smaller than right angle. Smaller than a right angle. Second, অর্থাৎ mark 2. It's a mark 2. This one is a right angle. Number 3, it's a smaller than right angle. Right angle means we can say right angle equals to 90 degree. Smaller than right angle, it means smaller than 90 degree, and this one is a equal right angle. And this one we can say angle smaller than 90 degree. It's the same thing of number 1. Next, photo 2. This is greater than right angle. This is lower than right angle. So we can mark, then we can easily understand. 1, 2, 3, 4. So photo 2. First angle, it's a angle what? Higher than 90 degree. It means greater than right angle. 2, angle less than 90 degree. 3, it's a angle greater than 90 degree. 4, it's a what? It's a angle less than 90 degree. So first one is, this one is a right angle. Next one, it's a diamond shape, or we can say rhombus. Rhombus, here is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Here, every angle is greater than 90 degree. Okay? We can say all angles greater than 90 degree. Okay? It's a photo what? It's a photo 3. And finally, photo 4. This is, look, it's a 90 degree. It's also 90 degree. This one also 90 degree. We can say no, it's not 90 degree, little bit less. It means smaller. And this one is a little higher. So photo 4, we can mark like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a photo 4. So 1 plus 2 are right angle. 3, we can write like this way: 3, it's angle less than 90 degree. 4, angle greater than 90 degree. Okay, so practice question 4 done.